Welcome to Turkey, a land with a rich and ancient history, where cultures from the past still echo in its landscapes. Turkey is a welcoming and friendly country with an ancient history, fascinating sea and mountain landscapes. It offers attractions and leisure activities which can fit every taste, from beach holidays to visiting the oldest mosques and ruins of Roman amphitheaters. Turkey has everything for active tourism: diving, windsurfing, rafting, kayaking, canyons in the mountain gorges of Alanya, ski resorts of Uludağ and Kartalkaya, and the opportunity to fly with a paraglider or balloon over Cappadocia. The Republic of Turkey is territorially located in southern Europe and Asia. The country has a diverse landscape: rocky mountains, forests, sandy beaches, and prairies. It is neighboring with Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Iran, Iraq, Syria, Greece, and Bulgaria. Four seas wash the coasts of Turkey: the Black, Mediterranean, Aegean, and Marble Seas, as well as the Bosporus and Dardanelles Straits. The biblical river Euphrates flows in the west of the country. The highest mountain, Ararat, is located in the east. The mount is a symbol for Armenians and a subject of dispute between the two states. Ankara is the capital of Turkey. It is a resort city with an excellent infrastructure, entertainment centers, and outstanding architectural monuments of ancient times. The Temple of Augustus and Roman baths remind us about the period of the Roman Empire. Ankara Castle is an excellent example of architecture dating to the Byzantine period. Other significant sanctuaries of the city include the Aladdin Mosque and the Hak Bayram Veli Mosque. Antalya can be deservedly called the capital of resort recreation in Turkey. The city is located on the Mediterranean coast and is the center of the province of the same name. Holidaymakers love Antalya for its magnificent beaches, excellent infrastructure, and affordable hotels. History and antique lovers will not be bored here either. The city will offer them the Yivli Minari Mosque, Iskele, and Tekeli Mehmet Paşa mosques. Hadrian's Gate, imagine that it was constructed back in 130, Ataturk's House Museum, the Archaeological Museum, the Clock Tower of Saatkulesi. You can visit Kuşunlu and Duden waterfalls not far from Antalya. The resort is perfect for a vacation with children as it has 2 water parks and a dolphinarium. Cappadocia, in central Turkey, is a captivating region with a rich history dating back to ancient times. Known for its unique geological formations, cave dwellings, and underground cities, it offers a wide range of activities. From mesmerizing hot air balloon rides and exploring rock-cut churches to hiking through picturesque valleys and experiencing cave hotels, Cappadocia is a dreamlike destination that leaves visitors enchanted with its charm and beauty.